All right, yet another video, guys. So in this video, I'm basically going to be taking you guys along the day with me. There's quite a few things that I'm showing in this video. So I'm going to basically start at doing a quick run at Sam's Club. So this is me showing you guys what I'm wearing to go to Sam's Club. This is basically at the start of my journey for weight loss. So just showing you guys, you know, probably about 5 pounds at this point because it's still summer. I believe this is like August, into August time, or something like that. But yeah, this is like August of 2023. So yeah, this is me in the car on the way to Sam's Club. After Sam's Club, I basically get to the house, do some cleaning and show you guys that, and show you guys what I get prepared for the kids in the morning. And then after that, I believe it goes into me getting a fruit bowl and doing a review with my friends, my best friend. So you'll see that as well. But yeah, this is us on our way to Sam's Club. I do have a Sam's Club membership. Shout out to my dad. He's the one that covers it. But I'm just going to show you guys a quick couple of things that I do get from Sam's Club. I think it's very good if you guys have kids to have that membership, or a Costco membership. I've never been to Costco, but I've heard great things. I was listening to Boss Man D-Lo's Sports Center, just in case you want to know what song got me so hyped up in the car right now. But yeah, Sam's Club I definitely recommend. I usually only go there to get a few things. Look at me, I was shushing the kids. Y'all ever have to do that? Like, be quiet, my song is on. But yeah, anyways. I think it's great if you have kids and you need bulk items, things to last in the house. So I would definitely recommend, if you don't have a membership for Sam's Club or Costco and you have one in your area, to definitely get one. So we finally arrived. It's kind of like a department, a big, like, I don't know, just a big store. Kind of like a almost like a factory almost, but made into a grocery store is what it gives. But this is me showing you just a couple of things. It's not a big order. We're not going to be in here all day, but I get their chicken nuggets here. I always get their yogurt from there. It's always on sale, and you get 30 for $5.28. And then I just got some eggs. My meat I always get from there. And then we needed the hot dog buns because the kids like hot dogs, and, you know, just some stuff for the house. So once I got back to the house, I started cleaning. So the next few videos are going to go over me getting the house together and getting breakfast ready for the kids. Sorry, I had to chime in right here. Toaster strudels, if you're watching this, put them in the pack individually ripped. Please, I'm over it. I'm over it. Never works, no matter how careful I am, okay? Please. I know the complaint box is full, okay? I know it's stacked, okay? Listen to us, please. It's getting annoying. It's like, are you doing this for money? Are you trying to get gain? Make it make sense. Back to the video. Most important step, refill the ice trays. If you live in a house with multiple people, please do that. All right, so here I'm just looking crusty, cleaning up the rest of the house, getting it together, cleaning out the sink and everything. I don't know if it's just me or if it's everybody, but like I have to clean my kitchen after I use it. That's me cleaning the bartizan. If you don't have one, I recommend you getting one. It's the little alcohol machine, but yeah. I had bought some extra honey buns for my son. So this is just me showing you guys how I pack those. I do most of my snacks packed like this, in these little containers. And if you want these containers, I believe I did get them off of Amazon or AliExpress. But this is me showing you guys that I do hand wash my wigs, just to restore them because, they are wigs that you can have for months and months and months if you take care of them. So if you guys want a video of how I actually bleach my knots, wash my wigs, and bring them back to life, because I feel like I have a really good method and I do really well. I mean, like, look at the hair. Like, if it doesn't have that curl at the end when you're doing the conditioning process, like, give it up, sis. It's either you don't have it, you don't have the right products, or the hair is trash. But yeah, if you guys would watch a video of me strictly showing you guys how I restore a wig, I would definitely show you guys. This is what I'm currently using. That's the shampoo and that's the conditioner. But I got the shampoo on a humbug. A delivery came to my house and it wasn't supposed to. And I ended up using that shampoo for my wigs. And it was actually a really good shampoo after looking into it. But yeah, the conditioner is really good too. It's really cheap, so I recommend that conditioner. But yeah, if the wig doesn't give this at the end, just let's wrap it up. It's not even worth trying to restore it. And another tip that I will give, like once I flat iron my hair like a wig, I typically don't do it again. I let the natural curl come, and that allows my wigs to last a lot longer, which is why my wigs look wavy or curly a lot of the time, is because I usually only straighten my wigs once. But yeah, this is just me showing you guys the results. This is after I shampooed and conditioned it. But this is me another day, like the next day. So I just put it together and merged it. But I'm going out to get some bowls with my girl. I believe we did something else this day, but I'm not sure. I can't remember, again, so long ago. But we did do a quick video of us trying the bowls, and here it is. Where's the flash? Okay.
coconut shavings for me.
I want to try Alexis.
We're trying these. I got the oatmeal bowl.
I got the Bahama Mama.
And it has bananas, blueberries, quinoa seeds, granola,
Quinoa.
yogurt.
Quinoa. I got pineapples,
And honey.
strawberries.
Trying to be healthy.
I introduced her to the healthy acai bowl.
I'm watching a multi-media.
Is it good?
I don't dig deep yet.
We need to know.
It's like a
Look,
smoothie
Zuri's
in
just in the middle.
It's a little.
Yeah, we're gonna make this a cute little short and post it today. And some banana. All right, y'all. Let's see.
That means she like it.
It's okay. I thought it was gonna be sweeter, but it's good.
Cause you mix it in, you should probably. Mine's just sweet.
I need more honey. Probably. That's what it is. Yeah, just yogurt.
It's healthy too, so it's not supposed to be.
But it's good. I like the granola is my favorite part.
It's the crunch, right?
Yeah, the granola's fire.
That's why I got smoothie at the bottom. I just give that sweet.
I'm giving it a 7 out of 10, guys.
That's not bad. Would you come back?
Yes, I would just add extra honey and granola and less blueberry.
Would you try other things on the menu?
Smoothies, probably, yeah.
They have wraps.
Oh,
too.
and they had like egg and cheese wraps. I would definitely try that.
I love this for you.
You want to try? You want to try it, Zuri? Zuri likes to be in videos.
And she likes healthy.
What do you rate it? Out of 10. 1 to 10.
That's not fair. I only got this side.
1 out of 10.
10 being the best, 1 being like you don't like it. So you got to do like 1.
Yeah, in the back of the video was her son. So cute. But yeah, our kids get along. That's another reason why we just bond so great. But that was our video, guys. The restaurant was Tropical Cafe that we got those bowls from. So if you have that in your area, give it a try. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Mwah.